Okay. Man, I should have took that damn short, man. Man, I should have took that short. Hmm. I should have took that short. All right. Cool. 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 Perfect entry and everything. We left some money on the table. Cool. Mm. 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 Damn. I completely fumbled shit. Dang, I got out too goddamn early. Got out too early. Um, mm. Hey, what's up, everybody? Yeah, I'm at crap. Uh, I'll give it. Uh, uh. Okay, I think I might have. I think I might have got away with this. That wig tells me everything I need to know. Think I may have gotten away with this. Okay, I think I'm good. I don't know. I think I'm good. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, shit. I mean, that drop that we got from last night, I was like, God dang. I mean, I'm glad that we was a part of it last night. I mean, I thought that I mean, for sure, I thought I was like, man, I might be on the wrong side or I might be too early. But shit, we was right on time. Uh, uh, this shit just pops, and this position's cooked. I mean, are you just straight at evals? Yeah. Doesn't that suck? I bet you made easy money in those evals too. I mean, I don't know what it is like. What happens when you switch to your funded accounts or the accounts that matter, where just like all the trades are just they struggle when you get into them. The Bulls are being very aggressive here. They're being like super aggressive. Mm, mm. I may have should have taken this. I might have to get out of this for a loss, but I don't want it to be too big though. Let's see. Let's see. But it does look like they're going to probably squeeze it right here. It does look that way. Uh, it does look that way. Damn it. Mm. My only concern is getting wicked out. I mean, that's the only thing that I don't want to happen here for obvious reasons. Mm. Okay. Well, I mean, if they, I mean, that's a high right there. So I mean, if they try to come back and take that high out, then I'm wrong. So I'll put my stop above that high. Okay. Good. Good. Now take me to my targets. Damn. Right at the break even too. Isn't that crazy? Right at the break even. Take me to my target. Mm. Yep. I mean, dude, like, like, dude, that is so consistent. How often that happens, man. I might have to close, man. I just don't want to get faked out here. I feel like right in the short. Maybe I'm a bit too early. Maybe it feels like it wants to bounce. I mean, at least that's how it feels and how it looks. But I mean, so far the Bears are kind of holding it off. But I don't like the fact that it just bounced at my damn break even like that. Yeah, I probably have to get out of this. Damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably get out of this shit. Because the Bulls are just pushing this thing. Look at that. Fucking Bulls, man. Whatever, man. They're just pushing. All right, man. I'll just get out right there. Damn. Nice one, NQ. Nice one. Nice. Nice one. Nice one right there. Nice. Nice. You see that shit? Man, if the NQ was a real person, I would punch her in the face for that stupid shit. What the fuck? Oh. Nice one, NQ. Nice. God damn. Dude, as soon as she, oh my God, no way. Oh man. God damn. No way. Dude, honestly, not, oh crap. Man, this thing better keep on going, dude. It better keep on going. Yeah, we're like I was like, dude, where's all that bullish momentum y'all had earlier? Cool. All right. Okay. All right. Now this area right here can be some trouble. This is probably where the market was trying to get to. Mm. Okay. Shoot. Hold on, my entry's at 906? Hmm. Thought I had a better entry than that. Hmm. Thought I had a better entry than that. That's not a good entry. Nah. NQ seems to. Hmm. I do get lost in the sauce with NQ, man. And then come back and realize, yeah, I didn't know that I had my limit so far down. I thought I at least had my limit higher than that, unless I just got filled at 906. Did I get filled at 906? Because I could have sworn that I had a better entry. Hmm. Well, I mean, obviously I didn't. But I guess when I set the limit, I thought it was a better entry. I didn't even. Sometimes I don't even look at the numbers where I'm at. I just kind of look at the candle, and then after I'm in the position, it's like, oh shit, that's not a really. It's like, damn, I'm at this level. Hmm. I mean, if we get a very strong pop above this level right here, then I'll flip long because obviously the market wants to go back higher. I mean, it's kind of so okay. So I mean, it's kind of made a like a reversal pattern right here, kind of. I mean, we got this. Okay, I think I might be on the wrong side of the market again, trying to short this thing, and the market's just not ready to short anymore, or it's not shorting anymore. We got this big move down right here, and then we got a pop, and then we got a break of structure right here. So since we got to break a structure, we might actually see the bulls hold this right there. We'll see. But then they might just keep going up. Mm. But we'll see though. I mean, we did have a break of structure right here. That's what I'm looking at. We got a break that was support, and then this morning they broke it down. So I'm making the assumption that there's going to be sellers here, if not for a reversal, profit taking, a rejection from this area. But I mean, that's the thing that about trading the Nasdaq because you just don't know. Sometimes she'll just plow right through it, get to the level that she wants to get through, and then she'll come back to this level, don't even stop and keep going. Yeah, okay, I might be on the wrong side of this. Uh, like I said, my plan is if I see it pop above this level, then I'll flip long because I might be on the wrong side, honestly. I mean, they're holding this level off, so that kind of gives me hope. But they need to hold this level off because that's where the break of structure happened right here. So, mm, mm. Ah, crap. Mm. Yeah, I might be on the wrong side of this. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not gonna give this too much room. I'm not gonna give myself too much room to be wrong here. Okay. All right. So I think what 30. 8:37. Ooh, we got the 5 o'clock algo. Okay. The 9 o'clock algo in 5 minutes. Dude, come on. All right. We didn't look at this though. I mean, it should be no surprise that we're in negative gamma, but we are getting this pop. So we are at that level in the Qs. So we'll see if they hold this or if they we're going to see lower levels today. I mean, I think that we see some red today based on what happened yesterday. I think so. Maybe if I move my target down, she. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Question is, do they keep going down or is the Nasdaq going to pop? I mean, mhm. A minute to what news do we got? Uh, oh, existing home sales. All right, we'll see what happens here. No. Damn, why am I losing so damn much? Damn, why am I losing so much? Seems like the losses are bigger than the wins for some reason. Like, what's up with that? Hold on, why my stop didn't come up? Oh, why didn't my stop come up? Why didn't my stop come up? That was some bullshit. That was some bullshit. My stop should have came up. That was some bullshit. That was bullshit. Nice. Nice. My stop literally should have came up. All right, so this could actually be the area where we do see a drop. Nice. Nice one in Q. Nice. Hmm. Damn, this thing is going. Shit. All right, so 29.50, 29.50. 29.50. All right. Well, maybe I didn't expect for the Bulls to well, never mind. Maybe I just expected the Bears to be a little bit tougher than that. But maybe that's what's happening. Everybody is shorting it and they're just getting stopped out. I think that's probably what's happening here. Because well, we got the 20K, we got the 2021, got the 2021. Hmm. 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 Have you? I mean, what do you think has changed, Alfred? I mean, you've been killing it. I mean, what's changed, man? Is that it? Cause remember when I was telling you that once I was on that win streak, I just started to self sabotage. You think that's the same thing happening to you right now? Shit. Come on, Nasdaq. Damn, dude. I mean, have you had that conversation with yourself? What do you think it is, man? Yeah, like that self-sabotage crap is like it's just so real. Like, I mean, I experience it like here and there, like, but then I have to remind myself that I earn my way here. I deserve to be here. I earned this shit. This shit wasn't given to me. I do my homework every weekend. I put in the work. I deserve to fucking be here. And then it's like honestly, I didn't believe like in that like childhood trauma crap. I didn't believe in that stuff, but if I'm gonna be completely honest, stuff from my childhood does affect, or it does play some influence on some of the things that I do now. Because obviously, if you grew up and you ain't had shit, you see all this money on the charts that you're making. This is literally outside of your reality, especially if you've grown up poor. Especially if you're that inner child is used to, no, we don't got enough money. You got to work hard to make money, and then you work hard and you don't get nothing. And here we are, get on these charts. We click a button and we're up. I was literally up 500, 600K just by clicking a button and waiting. That just goes against what we've been taught and what we've instilled in ourselves as kids. So, I mean, that was a big obstacle that I had to get over before I became consistently profitable in these charts. That was a big hurdle for me. Damn, dude. Shit. Yeah, the number four. Yeah, that's definitely true, man. When I got into trading, man, all them demons that I thought I did not have, oh, they came out in full force. That was trying to jump me. It was like, you ain't good enough. You don't deserve to be here. You ain't no CPA. You ain't go to college. You don't know no finance or nothing like that. I mean, if the people on Wall Street can't do it, what makes you think you could do it? If they're not wrong, if they're wrong, what makes you think that you can be right? Type shit. But the only thing that saved me for real is don't tell me what the fuck I can't do. Or maybe I would have believed that inner voice. Don't tell me what the fuck I can't do, because I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you I can do it. See, Alfred, that stubbornness is a double-edged sword, but in some cases it works out for you. Don't tell me what the hell I can't do. But then you're right. When you get into a losing position, man, shit. Hey, either give me what I want or liquidate my account. I mean, you got to take the good with the bad, man. Or at least that's what I tell myself. I got to take the good with the bad. I can't sit here and say I hate my stubbornness, but shit, the reason why I'm here is part of that, because of that stubbornness. Especially if you're a bear, you got to be stubborn if you're a bear. Because sometimes, like when you get stuff like this happening, you got to be a stubborn bear. Because it's like, yeah, they're just trying to fake you out. Ah, man, they ain't trying to fake you out. They actually might try to come from them highs. Because they're buying off the 21 EMA. So what I'll probably do is I'm not going to add into this if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong here, I'm not going to add into it. But I think I am in a good location to short, because I didn't short it here. They ran 20K. I'm surprised we didn't see more of a reaction at 20K. They ran 20K, and I think this is a good area to short. I think it is. So I'm gonna be stubborn in this area until they prove me wrong. But I'm not gonna add into it. I'm not gonna add into it. Oh yeah, congratulations on that, Alfred. Yeah, Alfred said he's up 10K this month in payouts, so he's not struggling too much. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of like, yeah, it's that hit. It's like, yeah. kind of going back into that eval kind of, it means something. It's like, dude, you was just in a funded account and all the money that you was earning. Oh shit. Come on, NQ. Shit. Stop playing around. Well, okay, I can see why. I'm looking at Bookmap now. I can see why this thing keeps popping in this area. There's so much liquidity in this range right here. There's so much liquidity in this range right here. Ah, shit, I see it. I want to be wrong here, but I see it. I see it. Ah, shit, I see it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. I want to be wrong here. Ooh, I want to be wrong. Ooh, I want to be wrong. Ah, it looks like the Bulls are trying to find support right here. Ah, and then all they need is just a push. Ah, damn. I might be wrong here. Come on, Bears. Push this thing. Push it down. At least hit my targets, and I don't care what you do after that. At least hit my targets. I don't care what you do after that. Mm. Where's it at exactly? Like, what's the levels? Come on, sell Nvidia. What else is selling? Amazon. Come on, hit my targets at least. Damn. And like, dude, this is why you gotta be a stubborn bear because of shit like this. The Nasdaq will sit here and make you feel like you're wrong. Let me look at the ES real quick, man. Let me look. Let me look at the ES because I'm not gonna sit here and be lied to by the Nasdaq. All right. Okay. I mean, yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah. 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 Maybe. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. I'm not gonna be lied by you, NQ. There we go. 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 Okay, never mind. Look at that, dude. All right, so that's the ES right here. The ES, I mean, with the structure like this, I don't know. This doesn't pop on the ES. I mean, I guess it could, but never mind. I shut the hell up. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, damn. Damn, dude. God damn. What the hell, dude? God damn. Bears, y'all suck. Are we going back to Bears sucking season? God damn. You know what, Bears? Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. God damn. God damn, dude. God. Oh my. Oh my. Ah. No. 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 Oh my. Bears, y'all fucking suck. Why do y'all suck like this? Why? 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 Why do you suck like this, Bears? Why? Why? My God. All right, man. This is it, man. It's gonna get to the point to where I mean I've already cut into all the profits already. This thing keeps going up. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to flip long, I guess. Damn, dude. All right. Mm, okay. All right. All right. So this is what I'll do. I'm gonna try to give this position as much leeway as possible. I mean, shit. Um, this thing might just keep on going too, man. Mm, yeah, this thing gonna probably just keep on going. All right. Mm, mm, yeah, I'll keep my stop where it's at, man. I'm gonna have to probably have to find an opportunity to potentially get in long somewhere, I guess. Because obviously the Bears are back to sucking. So the Bears had us in the first half, I guess, and then of course they get clapped in the second. Of course they did. And again, I mean, I guess again, you go against the charts and start trading with your heart. This pattern right here is kind of classic. I mean, what I thought that it was going to do was come back and tap this first, but the Nasdaq does what she wants to do. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I should have been a little bit more aggressive with my maybe I should have been a little bit more aggressive with this. Damn. Mm. I mean, let me look at this hourly chart. Let me look at it. Hmm. I mean, that's obviously bullish. I mean, obviously. I mean, that's a big two green bullish engulfing and candles on the hourly. All right. Oh yeah, let me do this too. I forgot. I forgot. I knew I couldn't trust bears. I just knew I couldn't trust them. I don't know why. I don't know why I just keep doing that. All right. Let me close out these accounts. Let me close out these positions. Oh my god. I know I couldn't trust you bears to do what was right. I knew it. I knew it. Okay. Ugh. Mm. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, Rugkit. Like, damn, just short shit. Uh, yeah, I'm not putting nothing. I'm not putting nothing else in my option account. I just options is just not for me. It's just not for me. That's what I'm talking about. Shit. Oh my god. NQ. Come on. Come on with that bullshit, dude. Come on with it. Mm, Or is she gonna do the same thing she did to me with right here? It's bounce at the bottom of this range and then come on, NQ. Don't be nasty to me. You've been nasty to me all morning. Don't be nasty to me. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Shit. Now we're only down $25. Mm, mm, mm. I think this might be one of those classics, right? Let's see what they do here at the top of this range. Let's see. I think I've seen this play out before. The whole fake out, come back down, come back to the top of the range where the break of structure happened, and then we'll see a continuation. We'll see if that happens here. I mean, because with a move like this, All right. 74.25. I mean, I guess we could see a bounce at the 50 here. We could see a bounce. I mean, if we do see a move down, we could see a bounce at the 50. I mean, there is a little support little area right here. I mean, you got the top of this little range, you got the bottom of that little wick out thing right there, and then you got the 50 EMA sitting right there. I mean, if we do see a continuation, then kind of maybe we'll probably see that or something like that. We'll see. We'll see. The 50 is at, oh yeah, 21.20. That's where the we saw the first drop, 21.20. Yeah, 21. Hmm. Let's see. I mean, they rejected at the trend line. Hmm. They rejected at the trend line. They rejected at the highs. All right. Well, here comes the moment of truth right here. Let's see if they bounce it here. Trust the charts, people. Trust the charts. Trust the charts. Trust the charts. Isn't that some shit? God damn it. Uh, uh, uh. Hmm. All right. So they did exactly what I thought they would do. Well, they did exactly what the charts would suggest that if they would do. They would come back in at the 50. Man. Damn. Hmm. Damn. Hmm. And you think that I would learn, and I never do. You think that I learn, and yet I never do. Or I haven't yet. Man, look at that, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 2101. Look at that, dude. Damn. Look at that. Look at that. You think you learn, Sherm. You think you will learn, but you just don't. The charts tell you one thing, and then you turn around and you do something completely different, and then cry about it. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Well, if they come back and they find support right here at 2050, then mm, or they find support at my break even. That's probably what the market wants to do. If I support at my break even, then I gotta really pay attention to what they do at this high, man. They're gonna probably stop run it. Ugh, I gotta really pay attention to that. They're gonna probably stop running the highs. Then I have to flip long. Damn, dude. Bears, why are y'all sucking? Why are y'all sucking? God damn. Get off your knees, Bears. God damn. Go to work. Shit. Yeah, they won't get a stop run. Okay. I see my mistake now. I see my mistake. Shit. Yeah. I mean, Alfred, yeah, I guess you're right, huh? I mean, low key, this thing has been trading in a trend, hasn't it? Like, well, it hasn't been low key, it's been very high key. This shit has been very blatant. Well, I mean, shit, this looks like a stop run. It doesn't look like a trend for real. And that's why I'm trying to short it. It just looks like a stop run. And then my bear instincts are just kicking in. Like, I gotta short this damn thing. I gotta short it. I gotta catch it. I gotta catch the drop. I gotta catch it. I gotta catch it. I gotta catch them all. I gotta catch all the drops. Wow. Dude, why is it that I'm saying one thing and I'm doing something completely different? If they find support at this range, our stubbornness will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. We'll catch all the shorts. You got to catch them all. Being a stubborn bear, you got to catch all the shorts, even if it means that you'll get stopped out and get back in short if you got the liquidity for it. All right. So, yeah, basically the market is kind of doing what I'm saying, but I'm doing something completely different. All right. So it could find support here, but then it's finding support at my break even, which is not a surprise. It's not a surprise. Come on, Bears. Damn. Damn. Look at that shit. Damn. 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 No. Uh, all right, man. I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at. I mean, if it busts up above this high, I'm gonna have to buy into my stop here. I mean, if it breaks back into this trend line, we're going higher. This little blue line is the overall trend right here that the market has been respecting. If we break up, damn, like shit. If we break up above it, then we're going higher. Yeah, we're going higher. Okay. We're probably like if we break out above that trend, I'm going to be targeting I think it was what in Investor Z. Yeah, last night was saying 120. That's probably where we're going. Shit. All right. So I mean, if they find support here, I'm gonna have to flip. I'm gonna have to flip if they find support, which it looks like they will. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Damn it. Damn, damn, damn. God damn. Stop doing that. Mm. Damn, look at that, dude. Mm. Okay. Fuck. Mm. I'm gonna have to find some way to take that stupid notification thing off. I don't need something like that hijacking my screen during these types of situations right here. Go ahead, pop. I mean, shit, you know you want to pop it. Look at the ES because I'm not gonna be lied to by by the ES. I'm not gonna be lied to or the Nasdaq. I'm not gonna be lied to here. Okay, so we got to 64. Uh, hopefully Tommy was able to flip before this thing happened, or at least got out of his position last night, because this is exactly the level that he was looking at. This was exactly the level that I was looking at last night. We could see 70, 72-ish maybe. We could, or we could see this on the ES. I was looking for, or well, yeah, 64. Mm. You, NQ, why are you like this, man? Why? Mm. Okay. I will not be lied to by you. I'm gonna check in with our girl ES and see what she doing. I mean, this should be the. I mean, if they're gonna reject it, this is the level on the ES. I mean, because if they get it at 70, 72-ish for a double top from last night's high or from yesterday's high, this is the level where they do it at. Mm. Mm. They break into this trend line, then we're gonna pop up. We're gonna pop. If they can pop into it, we're gonna pop up. Full freaking retracement from last night, dude. Full retracement from last night. No follow through from the Bears at all. You know what I mean? She changed it. She changed it. So I know I did not leave that on for her. And my daughter likes to change the she likes to mess with the channels and then cries because she can't get back to the original one. And she wants me to go in there and turn it right back. Shit, you think I'm stubborn? Oh, shit, she got all my stubbornness plus some. My little girl's stubborn. Mm. Okay, I think we can see a rejection off this trend line. I think we can see it. Shit. Or we can see them buy it up to 21 again. All right, so I mean, obviously the market's trending. If because that stupid I'm thinking you're talking about, yeah, because that stupid notification, it hijacks the screen and I can't do anything. And it tends to always happen in like the most inconvenient situations possible where I can't manage my position anymore because it hijacks my screen. And the Nasdaq takes that opportunity to pump up and almost stop me out. I mean, shit. All right. So, I mean, the ES, like I said, got to that level that we was looking for last night at 65, 64, 65. Because I doubt that it was going to go back up to 70 because that would means that it would go higher. And so they was going to want to come back in right here. And they did on the ES. Mm, but, man. Yeah, I guess, man, I guess I am, aren't I? All right, so what is it, 9:50? Gotta be mindful of the time. Gotta be mindful of what time it is. Okay, I mean, at least that target got hit. Okay, so it looks like they're trying to buy it back up. It's like they're trying to buy it back up. Taking profits before price hit your TP is blasphemy. And I'm not doing it. They're gonna probably buy this damn thing. All right, guys, give me a second. I gotta check on my daughter real quick. You said fighting the trend. I mean, Alfred, I feel like I'm getting caught up in damn, look at that. They're gonna buy it right there. I know that what I feel and the reality of things are two different things. I know that. But man, I guess when I look at I mean, this is not a trend to me. This is a stop run. I guess it's just hard, I guess, to trust it. So I guess I kind of yeah, 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 mm, yeah. Yeah. Let me look at the ES again. All right. I'm looking at the ES. Man, uh, like I said, I don't think the ES goes above that high. I mean, unless it's trying to go higher. But then the Bulls are buying it though. Bulls are buying it, but I don't know if they're going to be successful here on the ES because the ES is already below that trend line, and the ES does not lie. Mm. Women lie, men lie. The ES doesn't lie. The charts don't lie. Mm. They say numbers don't lie, but numbers are used to lie all the time. Numbers are used to lie all the time. Okay. Mm. Okay. All right. Mm. All right. You know what? I'm gonna do it because it looks like it's not going to. Damn it. As soon as I move it to, that is so rich. Oh man, that is rich. That is rich, NQ. That is so rich. Mm, mm. Okay. I can't do it. I can't do it. I guess what I should do though is if I'm going to be stubborn, I should just reduce my risk. If I'm going to be stubborn, just reduce the risk a little bit then. Don't let it come back negative if I'm going to be stubborn. Mm. Come on, Bears. Finish the move. Finish it to the downside. Just finish it. Of course. Of course. Cool. Okay. Now I have a choice here. I can let this last contract ride, or I can get out of it completely. See which one I choose. I mean, let me really look at this, man. Let me really look at this. Okay, so we got support right here. They came back and then they found support right here. So I'm pretty sure there's going to be some buy limits right here. But then we tapped the top of this trend line. So I don't think the market is going up. The ES tapped its area, and the ES is probably going to go to at least 740 before it bounces. At least 740. Hmm. I gotta pay attention to that low right there. Damn. Okay. There we go, baby. Keep on dropping. Keep on dropping. Keep on dropping. Don't pop back up. Keep on dropping, baby. Keep on dropping. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Stubbornness prevails. Stubbornness prevails, baby. Stay stubborn. Stay stubborn, baby. God damn. Oh, my stomach hurts. Okay. I mean, shit. Maybe I should just take the win, right? God damn. Mm. Now the Bears want to show some backbone now, huh? Okay. Now the Bears want to show up. Mm. Mm. That's what we talking about, baby. But what I'm not gonna do is let this shit come back on me. Cause I'm done after today. I'll just take this 2K and be done. Cool. I'll take that. That's cool. I'm done. I'm going in the sim. I mean, cancel all my orders. I'm done. I'm done. I'll take the 2K. I'm done. I'm done. Man, I'm done. All right, let's clean up the charts. Let's clean it up. Let's clean the charts up. You said a house payment or alimony. Oh man. Hmm. No, 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 no. I'll go in the sim. I've been over trading all day. I've been over trading all day. Mm. Damn it. Okay. Mm. Per. Mm. Uh, hmm. Probably get out right there because I don't understand why she did that. Damn it, of course. How the hell she do that? What's right there? For her to dump like that. Hmm. Oh, 260. Oh shit. Did not pay attention to that. 260. Come on, Bulls. You've been a pain in my side all day. 47. Now we're gonna let this come. We're gonna let it ride, damn it. All right, so what, 270? I'll just make sure that I begin to protect myself at that level. 270, possibly R3. 270 is probably where the market was want to go to. Okay. Mm. Okay, let me really look at this. Let me really look at it. I mean, potentially, I'm not saying that it is, but potentially it's not confirmed yet, but it could be doing that, but we'll see. It's not confirmed yet though. And as long as price is above VWAP, then I guess I should just trust it. Nasdaq, can I look at something before you do something drastic here? Can I look at something, please, before you do something drastic? That's all I want to do is just look at something real quick. Just trying to see something real quick. That's it. I'm going to slowly touch my line. Slowly. I'm going to slowly put it on the chart. Please don't do nothing too drastic. I just want to see something real quick. Don't do nothing too drastic. It's not a real trend or nothing, but damn. Damn, she's been touching my break even. Like, dude, come on. Mm, okay. Mm. All right. So, I mean, I don't like that it's doing all that. I don't like this. Let me look at the ES again. Uh, mm, the ES doesn't look like it's going to drop. So I should trust the NASDAQ unless We get a red candle underneath this. If we get a red candle right here on the ES, then we might be dropping. Yeah, I made a mistake here. Mistakes were made here. Over trading. Mistakes were made. Over trading. Well, I mean, the Nasdaq is giving me plenty of opportunity just to get out. At least take my break even, or maybe a small loss even potentially. You know, we don't do that here. We don't do that here. We don't take break even or a small loss. We take what we want or liquidation. God damn it. Mm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I might have messed up here. I might have messed up here. I mean, if this is technically a higher low, if they can hold that, then yeah. But I mean, if they break this down, they break it down, then yeah, the ES looks like it's going lower. Yeah, damn it. Ah. Sometimes I guess you need the sweet lies of the Nasdaq and not the harsh truths of the ES. The ES says you're on the wrong side, but the Nasdaq says, "Hey, we can get there, baby. Just trust in me. We can get there." Okay. Tesla, huh? Let's look at that. Let's look at what Tesla's doing. I am still waiting on Tesla to get to 200. Not financial advice, but I am waiting on 200 on Tesla. Ah, shit. Damn, Tesla's at 230? When the hell did that happen? Damn, when did that happen? Wasn't it like at 215 at one point? I was at 218. Then it came crashing back down to 22. Uh, Maybe Tesla probably get back down there to earnings. I think we see a pump on Tesla earnings. Usually Tesla likes to do that crap. Like if it's just been in a super downtrend, it's usually earnings that we see it rips off everybody's face and then it goes back down in a downtrend. Nice. All right. I did that to myself. I did that to myself. All right, 93. I love it when my break even becomes resistance. I love that. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. And Q knows I love it. That's why she does it. She does these things to make me happy. Not that she's purposely trying to hurt me or nothing. She just knows that this makes me happy when my break even becomes resistance for whatever reason. And she loves it when she uses it against me. She knows I love that. You think he's gonna still chop gain weight? Or do you need my sim liquidity for your short? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. You know, actually, I was thinking about this. I've been going through a lot of the Discord forums, and I'm seeing a lot of people have this conversation. At least the prop firms, they're talking about this boogeyman called the CFTC and their new regulations that has yet to come down, and that they're changing their rules to get in front of these new rule changes that, for whatever reason, still has not come down. And so now there's a lot of people who are speculating that the prop firms are just using this as an excuse to quote unquote raise their prices and quote unquote using the using it as a, I guess, a reason to make the evals combines getting paid out a little bit harder. Because even though we consistently do this on a daily basis with the consistency rules and stuff like that, a lot of traders can't handle the consistency rule, and they know that, and it just gives the house more of an edge. They know that traders can't handle the consistency rule like that. Take me to the promised land, NQ. Stop playing with me. He said there's no point in shorting at all. So you're just gonna keep buying the dips? Or I'm pretty sure you've already bought a dip and you're just waiting for it to get to the level that you're looking at, huh? I mean, yeah, I mean, if you look at the hourly chart, I mean, I can definitely agree with gain weight for sure, but these little micro movements. All right, man. All right, the NQ is just gonna be nasty to me, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on that bandit blitz. Nice, NQ. God damn, NQ. I mean, what's so hard? Damn. Just give me what I want. I mean, I wasn't even looking for my target on that one. I was just looking for restitution. That's it. I was looking for some restitution. I wonder if she's gonna start using my break even again as resistance. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Use it as resistance. Go ahead. Yeah, that is so crazy how that always seems to work, man. That is so crazy. I mean, the way this is looking, I mean, I guess we could see a push down. Maybe, maybe, but and these bears are getting in the way right now. I wish they had this same aggression earlier today. It would have been nice. Shit. Yeah, I'm probably gonna. I mean, I guess the Nasdaq said I gave you plenty of opportunity. I gave you plenty of it. Blah 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 blah. But and stop giving me what you know I'm not gonna ever take. I don't perform blasphemous acts as taking break even. Give me what I damn want and stop playing with me. I did not get into a trade to take my break even. I got into the trade to either win or lose. That's it. Ah, shit. Okay. Man, she is being real nasty right now, dude. She is like, dude, she is being nasty. What's up with that? Yeah, what's up with my break even? What's up with that? She keeps finding her way back and forth and playing around with it. Mm. I mean, I don't like this candle structure. It looks like we could see a candle down. I don't like it, man. Yeah, dude. All right, I'm gonna get this thing by like 3 minutes, and I gotta go to this meeting. I already know what it's gonna do. Ugh. Thanks a lot, NQ. Thanks. 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 I wish I was this aggressive earlier today, man. Man, I wish I was this aggressive earlier today. Okay. I mean, do we see a 20K bounce here, or is this thing flush? All right, I'll go in one more. One more. No way. No way. No way. No word. No way. No. Nasdaq. Why? Why do you do these things, Nasdaq? Why? Why? Why do you torment me so? Why? God damn. No. Yo, no way. Oh man, no way. Literally missed me by a tick. Literally missed me by a tick, dude. Mm. All right, Gameway. Have a good day, man. All right. This is it for me. I mean, if this thing crashes out, like I think it's probably will. Damn, look at that, bro. Back to break even. Isn't that some crazy shit? Isn't that some crazy shit, man? Isn't that some crazy shit? I buy one more down here. I mean, if it breaks this range, then we're gone. Then this thing is done. If it breaks this range, it just would have been nice to have this aggression earlier today. Nice. Uh, well, there goes my mortgage or alimony payment right there. I'm paying my alimony to the Nasdaq. Commission support. Yeah, I did overtrade. I just wasn't satisfied with what I had, so I wanted more. I wasn't satisfied. I felt like the Nasdaq owed me something. I felt that she should owe me some more money. Well, I guess she's showing me. She gave me plenty of opportunity to get out. I just didn't. It is what it is, man. All right, if it touches my stop, this is where I'll stop out at. Damn, VWAP is right there though. Might be going for VWAP though. Mm. I'll just basically get back all my gains. So now I'm down. Shit, I'm down $800 now. Yeah, the way the structure is looking, yeah, this thing looks like it can continue to go down. I mean, if I'm given break even, I'm probably not going to be given break even. Yeah. Where's the ES at? Mm. 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 Okay. Yeah, probably like at 40 or something. I think the Nasdaq is going to do it. I think she's going to do it. I think she's going to do it. I think she's going to test me. And do you think I'm going to pass that test? If my facial expression doesn't tell the story, then she might as well just stop me out. You said you're bullish? Yeah, that's exactly right, Cosmo. Scalping is one hell of a drug. It definitely is. But it definitely leads to over trading, especially in the Nasdaq. I will say this though. Well, I mean, if I was trading my regular size, I already would have been done for the day. But what I am learning, and I'm definitely learning this. I'm definitely am. Is just trading one contract, taking these base hits. I was really wrong today. I was wrong like maybe 2 or 3 times today, like bad wrong. Where I took maybe 30 or 40 points against me. But I was able to come back. And again, I'm back up again. I mean, I'm actually back at my break even now. So it's like I'm starting to really see the power of just trading with one contract. Cause I mean, I'm up. I'm back up now. I was down. I'm back up. So it's like yeah, I might actually just stick to this because there's a lot of room for mistakes and I can fix those mistakes versus if I'm wrong with the heavy size, well shit, there goes the account. I mean, believe it or not, shit, I'm back up at 2K. So shit. Uh mm, I'm back up. And just catching these points back and forth on one contract instead of trying to go all in with heavy size. But all right, guys, I'm done for the day. I got to hop into this meeting. We'll come back later on today, and we'll definitely look for more ways to earn some more money. With that said, peace out, everybody. Peace.